Okay. Subject is reinforced concrete structures. Topic design of T-beams. Subtopic analysis problems on T-beams. Type 2 problems on T-beams. Problems on T-beams type 2. In the previous class we have to learn about the procedure for solving type 1 problem, analysis problem, type 1 problem. Example on type 1 problem. Next to this topic, this period, the completion of this period, you will be able to understand the procedure of solving type 2 analysis problem. Type 2 solving type 2 analysis problem. Solving type 2 analysis problem. Type 2 analysis problem. Solve the type 2 analysis problem. Type 2 analysis problem. Such problems are following data is given. Depth of the flange capital DF. Depth of the beam. Depth of the beam here is capital D is given small d. Instead of capital D, small d you have to write it. Cover for to reinforcement. Width of the web BW. Characteristic strength of concrete FCK. Characteristic yield strength of steel Fi. Yield strength of steel Fi. Sriram, అరే తక్కువ పెట్టుకో. Yield strength of steel Fy. Characteristic strength of concrete FCK. Yield strength of steel Fy. No doubt. Depth of the flange capital DF. Depth of the beam small d. Cover to reinforcement. Width of the web BW. Width of the web BW. Characteristic strength of concrete FCK. Characteristic strength of concrete FCK. Yield strength of steel Fy. Span of the beam. End condition of the beam. Sriram. End conditions of the beam, span of the beam, yield strength of the steel Fy, span of the beam, end conditions of beam. No doubt. Depth of the beam capital DF. Depth of the flange capital DF. Depth of the beam small d. Cover to reinforcement. Width of the web BW. Characteristic strength of concrete FCK. Yield strength of steel Fy. Span of the beam L. End conditions of the beam. Go for another slide. Over. It is required to find the maximum moment of resistance mu max. It is required to find the maximum moment of resistance mu max. Mu max. Area of the steel AST max. Maximum allowable imposed load W. Maximum allowable imposed load W. Step 1. Determine the effective width of flange BF. Determine the effective width of the flange BF. BF is equal to L0 by 6 plus BW 6DF. Write it. BF, width of the flange BF is equal to L0 by 6 BW plus 6DF. BF, distance between center of adjacent spans. BW, BW, width of the web. BF, distance between center of adjacent spans. Distance between the centers of adjacent spans. Distance between centers of adjacent spans of the beam. Distance between the centers of adjacent spans of the beams. Whichever is smaller. Determine the maximum depth of neutral axis. Determine the maximum depth of neutral axis. XU max 0.53 times D for Fe250 grade steel. XU max 0.53 times D for Fe250 grade steel. Zero point 48 times D for Fe415 grade steel. 0.48 D for Fe415 grade steel. 0.46 times D for Fe 500 grade steel. Write down. Generally I used Fe 250 and Fe 415. 0.453 times D, 0.48 times D, and 0.46 times D for Fe 500 grade steel. Go for another slide. Calculate the moment of resistance. Calculate the moment mu max is equal to 0.36 FCK BW XE max into D minus 0.42 XE max bracket close plus 0.45 FCK BF minus BW into YF into D minus YF by 2. Hold on. Mu max. Mu max is equal to 0.36 FCK BW XU max bracket open D minus 0.42 XU max bracket close plus 0.45 FCK bracket open BF minus BW bracket close into YF into bracket open D minus YF by 2 bracket close. Where YF is equal to 0.15 XE max plus 0.65 capital DF. YF is equal to 0.15 XE max plus 0.65 capital DF. df must be less than 0.2. Take yf is equal to df. df must be less than 0.2. yf is equal to df. Calculate AST maximum equating the force of compression to force of tension. Equating the force of compression to force of tension. Equating the force of compression to force of tension. Force of compression 0.36 FCK BW XE max plus 0.45 FCK into bracket open BF minus BW bracket close into YF. This is compressive force is equal to tensile force 0.87 Fy AST max. 0.87 Fy AST max. Zero point 0.36 FCK BW XE max plus 0.4 FCK BF minus BW YF must be is equal to 0. Divided by 0.87 Fy. AST max is equal to, solving the above equation, AST max is equal to 0.36 FCK BW XV max plus 0.45 FCK bracket open BF minus BW into YF divided by 0.87 FY. No doubt. Calculation allowable load W equating mu max is equal to maximum BM due to given span about the end conditions of the end condition terms of W equating the mu max is equal to maximum BM due to the given span and end condition in terms of W. Note down. Equating mu max is equal to maximum BM due to given span and end condition in terms of W. For example, if the beam is simply supported, maximum BM is equal to WL square by 8. Maximum external BM is equal to WL square by 8. Equal to WL square by 8. Mu max is equal to WL square by 8. Mu max into 8 by L square is equal to W. W is equal to mu max into 8 by L square. Mu max into 8 by L square. This is simply supported UDL type beam. Determine the self weight of the beam WD. Superimpose load WS. Superimpose load W minus WD. WD is the self weight of the beam. Superimposed load or live load is equal to Ws is equal to W minus WD. Type 2 problem. Example, write the problem. A RC beam having a total depth of 380 mm. RC beam having a total depth of 380 mm. RC means reinforced concrete beam having a total depth of 380 mm. Width 230 mm. Width to 230 mm. Width 230 mm is cast monolithically with slab 110 mm thick, with slab 110 mm thick. Full stop. The beam is simply supported. The beam is simply supported over a span of 4.4 meters and spaced 2 meters center to center and spaced 2 meters center to center. Concrete mix M20 and steel of grade FE 500 has been used. Full stop. Calculate the maximum uniformly distributed imposed load the beam can carry and the corresponding area of steel calculate the maximum uniformly imposed load on the beam can carry and the corresponding area of steel. No doubt. Over. Given data: L 4.44 meters, D overall depth 380 mm, DF depth of the flange or thickness of the slab 110 mm, BW 230 mm, FCK 20 newtons per mm square, Fy 500 newtons per mm square. Required maximum area of the steel AST max, maximum area of the steel AST max, allowable maximum imposed load UDL, allowable maximum imposed load UDL, allowable maximum imposed load UDL. Step effective flange width, calculation of effective flange width. L0 is equal to BF is equal to L0 by 6 plus BW plus 6 times capital DF is equal to 4440 by 6 plus BW 230, 6 into 110 must be is equal to 1630 mm, 1630 mm. Effective flange width BF is equal to L0 by 6 plus BW plus 6 DF, capital DF. Substitute the value. BF value is getting 1630 mm. No doubt. Step 2. Assuming cover to reinforcement, D dash is equal to 60 mm. Effective depth D is equal to overall depth minus cover to effective cover 380 minus 60 is equal to 320 mm. Small d is equal to 320 mm. Effective depth. Overall depth will be given. Overall depth is 380. Effective cover that is D dash 60. 380 minus 60 is equal to 320. XU max 0.48 times D per Fe 415 grade steel. 0.48 into 320 147.2 mm. This is Fe 415 grade steel only. Fe 415. CV is a problem. Fe 500 is given. You have to convert it to Fe 415. No doubt. Calculation of maximum MR for maximum mu max is equal to XU is equal to XU max, that is equal to 147.5 mm. Neutral axis lies in the web df by d 0.34, that is more than 0.2, more than 0.2. YF should be calculated. YF is equal to 0.15 XU max plus 0.65 DF, but greater than DF. 0.15 147.2 plus 0.65 110, 93.58, that is less than DF 110 mm. IF is equal to 0.15 XE max plus 0.65 DF. That value must be is equal to 93.58 less than capital DF. DF is equal to 110 mm. Step 3. Maximum moment of resistance. Zero 0.36 FCK BW XE max D minus 0.42 XE max bracket close plus 0.45 FCK bracket open BF minus BW bracket close into YF into D minus YF by 2 bracket close. Write down the equation. Substitute the value 0.36 FCK 20 BW 230 XE max 147.2 into bracket open D 320 minus 0.42 XE max 147.2 bracket close plus 0.45 FCK 20 bracket open BF 1630 minus BW 230 bracket close into YF 93.58 into bracket open small d 320 minus 93.58 by 2 YF by 2 93.58 by 2 bracket close. That is value must be is equal to 385.077 into 10 to the power of 6 Newton mm, that is converted to knm. 385.077 knm. Note down. 385.077 kN. AST max equaling the force of compression to force of tension. 0.36 FCK BW XU max plus 0.45 FCK bracket open BF minus BW into YF. This is compressive force in compression is equal to 0.87 Fi AST max. AST max is equal to 0.36 FCK BW XU max plus 0.45 FCK bracket open BF minus BW into YF divided by 0.87 Fi. Solving the above equation. Substitute the values. That is AST max is equal to 0.36 FCK 20 BW 230 XU max 147.2 plus ఇక్కడ into is printed plus 0.45 FCK 20 bracket open BF 1630 minus 230 BW into YF 93.58 divided by 0.87 Fi is equal to 500. Some places Fi 415 is taken, some places 500 will be taken. You have to take any one. Fe 500 will be taken. XU maximum D 0.46 instead of 0.46. In this problem 0.48 will be taken. That 0.48 is Fe 415. Here it is Fe 500 will be taken. At that place you have to take XU max 0.46 times D. All it will be changes. That is x max is equal to solving the above equation 3270.97 mm square AST max 3270.97 mm square. Assume 25 mm dia bars, number of bars AST by small AST, that is 3270.97 pi by 4 into 25 square 6.67. Say 7 bars of 25 mm diameter. Say 7 bars of 25 mm diameters. .67 bars, number of bars 6.67, higher round of value is 7. Calculation of available UDL. WB the UDL for meter length of the beam. 1.5 WL square. A maximum external BM 1.5 W, that is allowable load, L square by 8. 1.5 W into 4.4 whole square by 8 is equal to maximum BM. Mu max is equal to external BM 385.077.5 W, 4.4 whole square by 8. That is W is equal to 104.179 kilonewtons per meter. Solving the above equation, 104.179 kilonewtons per meter. That is 1.5 WL square by 8. 1.5 is the load factor. Factor load is equal to 1.5 into W. 1.5 W will be taken. Sulfate of the beam, BWD into unit weight of RCC 0.23, overall depth 0.38 into 25, 2.19 kilonewtons per meter. Available imposed load is equal to W minus WD 104.179, 2.19, 101.989 kilonewtons per meter. Allowable imposed load is equal to WS. WD is the sulfate of the beam 2.19, 104.179 minus 2.19 is equal to 101.989 kilonewtons per meter. Kilonewtons per meter. One or 2 kilonewtons per round of volume. Procedure for the solving the type 2 analysis problem. Procedure of solving type 2 analysis problem. Example for type 2 problem. This is the exercise problems. అయిపోయింది టీవీ పెట్టుకోండి
నడుతుంది వదినమ్మంతాను
ఏ వదిలినా ఇది కూడా